Moisture is inside this wall. Which way will this wall dry? Will it dry indoors, outdoors, or in both directions? The answer can change with the assembly and the conditions. Drying potential describes an assembly's ability to release moisture after it enters. Diffusive drying is one part of that process, but drainage, ventilation, air movement, and evaporation may also influence real assemblies.
Outward diffusive drying is more available when the layers toward the exterior offer a suitable vapor path under the current temperature and vapor pressure conditions.
Inward drying can occur when the interior side layers provide the more available path. Interior finishes, membranes, coatings, and indoor conditions can all affect that potential. A wall may permit diffusion toward both sides, but two-way drying rarely means equal drying. One direction may dominate, and the balance can change with temperature, humidity, and season. Drying can be restricted by vapor-resistant paints, membranes, foam facings, coatings, or other low-permeance layers. Every layer counts, not just the insulation. Paint, membrane, facing, and sheathing all matter. Drying potential does not eliminate the need to control moisture entry. A small amount of construction moisture is not the same as repeated rain entry or moisture carried through an air leak. A wall can have drying potential in both directions, but that does not guarantee equal, fast, or sufficient drying paths. Evaluate every layer, the moisture source, climate, seasonal conditions, and available drying paths.
Consider a real example. In cold weather, the exterior is colder and drier, while indoor air holds more humidity. Vapor pressure often pushes moisture outward, and outward drying may dominate. Now, consider warm, humid weather. The exterior is hot and humid, and air conditioning cools the interior. Vapor pressure may push inward, so inward drying can become the more available path. Watch what happens between two resistant layers. Moisture caught in the middle has no easy path out. Drying slows in both directions, and trapped moisture becomes a risk. Next node, double vapor barriers. What changes? This is general educational information only. Verify project-specific designs and moisture conditions with exact product documentation and appropriately qualified professionals.